What's up, you guys? So if you click this video, that lets me know that you're looking for a way to work from home and make money online. So one of the ways that I make money online is through Arise. With Arise, it's really easy. What you do is you sign up, and once you have your profile, you're able to go into the Arise portal and look at the job opportunity job board. So once you get on the job board, the way you choose the company to work for is depending on your lifestyle, how much money you want to make, how much free time you have. That is the client that you choose. Once you choose the client, you're going to go into training. In training, they're going to tell you how the company operates, what you're going to be doing, how to work through their system, and then you're going to do a certification. So with the certification, it's just testing. You're just going to show that you were paying attention in training. Trust me, a lot of people pass certification. It is not hard. Once you pass certification, then you start servicing the client. And you start making money online, and you have reached your goal of working from home. So if you want to sign up, you do have to sign up through an independent business owner. I am an independent business owner that you can sign up through and start working, or you can start your own IBO, which is independent business owner. You get it. So if you need assistance with that, you can click the link below and I'll be happy to assist you. You guys, go for it. Don't be like me and wait 5 years and not sign up. Okay? Have a great day and good luck.